How to fix Instagram cannot tag in post. So the first issue might be you using a plain text instead of official Instagram sticker. For that, in here you can see I'm trying to create a story and I'm trying to tag someone. So usually what you do is simply add it just like this and this will show. But if you are not seeing this, what you can do is simply go back and then tap on this arrow right here, drop it down. Then you'll get to see the option of mentions. All you need to do is tap on the mention. Then like that you'll be able to mention all of your friends whom you want to tag. But if that's still not working, then it might be the issue with the user's account being private. Be sure to tell them to make their account public in order for you to tag them. Another problem might be with your settings. For that, what you can do is go back, and in here we're going to get to our settings. Simply tap on your profile icon right here, tap on the menu bar right here. And in here you can simply scroll down a bit, then you'll get to see the option of tags and mention. Tap on that, and in here make sure to always select allow tags from everyone. By doing that, I'm pretty sure the problem might have been fixed. But if it's still the issue, then it might be because the user has blocked you or restricted you from tagging. So if that's the issue, then you might have to contact them and tell them to unblock you. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.